Yo. It's your boy Mado. The Mado, the biggest. Big dog. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. This is my first video, so you know what you gotta do. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Guys, so this is my Jetta 3. It's a 1.8 carburetor. We're building this thing on a student budget, guys. On a student budget. We're not gonna do like no crazy engine swaps and whatever. Nah. We're just gonna squeeze as much horsepower we can get out of this bitch. Sorry for my language, but yeah. Only on stock internal, so like I won't be swapping it with like VR6s and whatever. Maybe in the future we shall do that. So like let's get into it. So like the reason why I choose this car in particular, it's cause like it was cheap to buy. It's also cheap to fix. What else? And parts are almost like everywhere in South Africa for this car. So like yeah, that's the reason why like I actually bought this car. And I saw that like on YouTube and everything, there's not like a lot of content around carburetor cars, you know what I'm saying? So I wanna tap into that space, you know what I'm saying? And there's the heart of everything. A stone cold 1.8 carb. Stock standard and everything. Check it, even has that those tags and everything. Yeah, this thing fresh. 1.8. Everything is stock. Everything is stock standard. Yeah. The goal here is not to like race supercars and Golf 7s and whatever. You check. But this 1.4s, this 1.6 injectors, I'm coming for you all, Baba. This thing's gonna race hard. Yeah, it's gonna be racing, trust me. Like, I chose this car because like, it's perfect for learning, you know what I'm saying? I don't have enough money as a student because I'm a student. At the end of the day, I don't have a like fixed income, you check? So like, whatever money I can get, I think it would be best for me to get a carburetor car because I think it's like cheap to maintain in a way, now you check. Because this fuel injector cars, dog, hey, it is fuel injector cars, ish. They need money, man. You need to invest money in order to fly. So also, yeah, I gotta invest money, but I think it's kind of cheaper in a way. Okay, I'm saying. So like, my budget on this car is like maybe like 1,000 to 2,000 per month. You check. Yeah, that's how much I would be willing to invest in this car per month. You get what I'm saying? Maybe buy like, I don't know, cams. Maybe put a Weber 38 in here, or like a 36. Maybe put a Weber 36 carburetor in here. What else? Whew. Hey, this thing is gonna fly. Maybe pot the head, pot and polish the head. Yeah, man. Put in maybe the short shift, you check. So that when I shift into gear 3, I'm gone. I'm gone. Yeah. So like, yeah, man. Whoever can help out there, help, man. Send parts. Check, send parts, Joe. Like, just send those parts, keep them coming, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, you know what? Also, me, I'm new to these YouTube things, you check. So, like, yeah, I'm not with taking videos and what, you check. So, like, bear with me, man. But I'm gonna show you all the car right now. I'm gonna give you all a right round view look of the car, what shorting of the car and whatever in more videos to come, you check. So, yeah, must hit that comment button and like there. Must like and subscribe there, you know. To be honest, guys, like, I'm thinking of maybe like putting a young cornfield tanyana, you check. Maybe for in a 42221 exhaust header. Yeah. Straight pipe this thing. I don't know, maybe put in a deep tone muffler. I don't know, Joe. But I'm gonna make this thing sick, man. You check, that's what to expect in the upcoming videos. Obviously, you know, gotta start with maintenance first. Gotta start with maintenance, maybe. Also gotta fix this young bumpiana, yeah. You know, man. Teenagers, man. Teenagers, you know, man. Just come crash at the back of me, man. It's cool, though. You know, gotta have some Gotta be insured. If you're fit, you gotta be insured, you know. Gotta have the shark. This thing is gonna be a stance car, guys. I'm gonna drop this car. Yo, this car is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be sick, this car. Maybe put in some 165s, young mud flaps, you know what I'm saying? Whew. Saras. Saras. Like, yeah, guys. I think that's the end of the video. Maybe I'll show you the interior in the next video, upcoming videos. And whatever. So, like, yeah. Stay tuned. As I said, like, comment, subscribe. We out of here, you know. Peace. West side.